Hey guys, it's Rick Oberstadt. I just got done filming this makeup look. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I really love how all the colors turned out and how they blended. Even though some of them don't look really blended, like right in here, it looks a little patchy, but I swear to God, I blended like crazy with these colors. But I did like one, maybe two swipes in the pan in order to get this gorgeous color payoff. I am like wowed with the actual pigment of this palette. I can't wait to use more shades. I only used 5, and I think I'm gonna keep trying looks. I really love this Morphe palette. It was definitely the best gift I could get. It is about 85, maybe 90 degrees here in Florida. I'm sitting on the ground next to a Confederate jasmine bush. These things smell amazing. I absolutely love them. I wish I could figure out how to make a perfume out of them, because when the buds fall off, they don't last very long, but they smell amazing. Anyways, this is my makeup look today. I used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette that I've had since February, and this is my first time actually using it. So this is the look I came up with. Hopefully you enjoy it. I had foundation on, but I ended up taking it off and put on a BB cream instead. My skin's way too dry for foundation. Who loves spring? Now, I'm sitting out here in a t-shirt and jeans, and I am absolutely roasting. It's really hot here in Florida, and I mean really hot. I think it's like almost 90 degrees outside right now. I was actually just sitting on the ground next to this beautiful bush, which is Confederate jasmine. I really love it, but it's so gorgeous out right now. I have to go grocery shopping here in just a little bit, but I gotta wait on somebody to get here to pick up a bunch of hairless rat babies. They are so freaking adorable. And I've got some Dumbo rats that are ready to go. So hopefully you guys like the little flower preview and makeup.